Yagna Channel CPQ Online Training. Introduction to Yagna Channel CPQ. Yagna Channel CPQ is a configure price quote (CPQ) solution designed to streamline the sales process by automating the configuration, pricing, and quoting of complex products and services. Here's a brief introduction. Key features. Product configuration allows sales teams to configure products based on customer requirements. Supports complex rules and dependencies to ensure accurate configurations. Pricing management automates pricing based on various factors, including discounts, promotions, and customer-specific pricing. Ensures pricing accuracy by integrating with existing pricing rules and databases. Quote generation generates professional, customizable quotes quickly and accurately. Provides templates and tools for creating detailed proposals and contracts. Integration capabilities integrates with CRM systems like Salesforce to streamline data flow and improve sales efficiency. Connects with ERP systems to ensure alignment with inventory and financial data. Reporting and analytics. Offers insights into sales performance, product popularity, and pricing trends. Helps in identifying opportunities for upselling and cross-selling. User-friendly interface provides an intuitive interface that simplifies the configuration and quoting process. Reduces errors and training time by guiding users through the configuration and quoting process. Benefits: increased efficiency, speeds up the sales process by automating complex tasks. Improved accuracy, reduces errors in product configuration and pricing. Enhanced customer experience, provides clear, accurate quotes and configurations, improving customer satisfaction. Better insights, offers valuable data for decision-making and strategy development. Understanding configure, price, quote, CPQ. 1. Configure. Product configuration. Customizable options. Users can select from various options to tailor a product or service to their needs. For instance, in a CPQ system for a car manufacturer, customers can choose the color, engine type, and additional features like a sunroof or leather seats. User-friendly interfaces. Modern CPQ systems often include user-friendly interfaces like drag and drop or guided selling to simplify the configuration process. Rules engine. Validation rules ensures that product configurations adhere to company policies and product compatibility. For example, if a specific feature is only available with certain models, the rules engine will prevent selecting incompatible options. Dependency management handles complex dependencies between different product options, ensuring that all chosen components work together correctly. 2. Price. Dynamic pricing. Real-time calculations calculates prices based on the chosen configuration, including base price, add-ons, and discounts. This ensures that the price reflects the current market conditions and any special offers. Pricing models supports various pricing strategies such as tiered pricing, volume discounts, and subscription models. This flexibility is crucial for businesses with complex pricing structures. Discount management. Automated discounts applies discounts automatically based on predefined rules such as customer loyalty programs, bulk purchases, or seasonal promotions. Approval processes for larger discounts or custom pricing. CPQ systems can include workflows for managerial approval to ensure compliance with pricing policies. 3. Quote generation. Customizable templates generates quotes using templates that can be customized to include branding, terms and conditions, and detailed breakdowns of the configuration and pricing. Integration with CRM often integrates with customer relationship management (CRM) systems to pull in customer information, ensuring that quotes are personalized and accurate. Approval workflow. Multi-tier approvals manages approval processes for quotes that involve complex configurations or pricing, ensuring that all necessary approvals are obtained before sending the quote to the customer. Audit trails keeps records of all quote modifications and approvals, providing transparency and accountability. Benefits of CPQ. Increased efficiency. Reduced manual effort automates repetitive tasks involved in configuring, pricing, and quoting, allowing sales teams to focus on higher value activities. Faster turnaround speeds up the process of generating quotes and closing deals, leading to quicker sales cycles and improved customer satisfaction. Yagna Channel CPQ Core Capabilities. Yagna Channel CPQ Configure, Price, Quote offers a range of core capabilities designed to streamline and optimize the sales process for channel partners. Here are some key features. Product configuration. Guided selling helps sales representatives and partners configure complex products by guiding them through the selection process based on customer requirements and available options. Rules-based configuration enforces rules and constraints to ensure that product configurations are valid and meet business requirements. Pricing management. Dynamic pricing supports flexible pricing strategies, including volume discounts, promotions, and special pricing agreements. Price calculation automates the calculation of prices based on configuration choices, discounts, and other factors. Quote generation. Automated quoting generates accurate quotes quickly by integrating product configuration and pricing information. Customizable templates provides customizable quote templates to match the branding and format required by the organization. Channel management. Partner Portal offers a dedicated portal for channel partners to access the CPQ system, manage their deals, and track their performance. Deal registration allows partners to register deals and gain visibility into their opportunities and commissions. Integration capabilities. CRM integration integrates with CRM systems to synchronize customer and sales data, ensuring consistency across platforms. ERP integration connects with ERP systems to streamline order processing and fulfillment. Analytics and reporting. Sales analytics provides insights into sales performance, product configurations, and pricing trends. Custom reports enables the creation of custom reports and dashboards to monitor key metrics and KPIs. Workflow automation. Approval processes automates approval workflows for pricing, discounts, and configurations to ensure compliance with business rules. Notifications sends notifications and alerts to keep stakeholders informed about key events and changes. User experience. Intuitive interface features an easy-to-use interface that simplifies the configuration and quoting process for users. Mobile access provides mobile access to allow users to configure products and generate quotes on the go. Benefits of implementing Yagna Channel CPQ. Implementing Yagna Channel CPQ, configure, price, quote, can offer several benefits, particularly for organizations involved in complex product configurations and sales processes. Here are some key advantages. Streamlined sales process. Yagna Channel CPQ automates the configuration, pricing, and quoting process, reducing manual errors and speeding up the time it takes to generate quotes. This helps sales teams close deals faster and with greater accuracy. Enhanced accuracy. By automating the configuration and pricing processes, Yagna Channel CPQ ensures that quotes are consistent and accurate, reducing the risk of errors that can occur with manual calculations. Improved customer experience. With faster and more accurate quotes, customers receive timely responses and clear, detailed proposals. This enhances the overall customer experience and can lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Increased efficiency. The CPQ system integrates with other business systems like CRM and ERP, allowing for seamless data flow and reducing the need for duplicate data entry. This leads to greater operational efficiency and less time spent on administrative tasks. Better sales insights. Yagna Channel CPQ provides analytics and reporting features that help sales managers understand trends, track performance, and make data-driven decisions. This insight can lead to improved sales strategies and better resource allocation. Flexibility and scalability. The CPQ system can handle a wide range of products and configurations, making it suitable for businesses with complex offerings. As your business grows, Yagna Channel CPQ can scale to meet increased demand without requiring significant changes. Enhanced compliance. By automating pricing rules and discounting policies, Yagna Channel CPQ helps ensure compliance with company policies and contractual obligations. This reduces the risk of unauthorized discounts and pricing errors. Reduced training time. The user-friendly interface and guided selling features of Yagna Channel CPQ simplify the quoting process, making it easier for new sales representatives to learn and use the system effectively. Improved collaboration. The CPQ system facilitates better collaboration between sales teams, product experts, and other stakeholders by providing a centralized platform for managing quotes and configurations. Optimized pricing strategies. With advanced pricing and discounting capabilities, Yagna Channel CPQ allows businesses to implement dynamic pricing strategies, respond to market changes, and maximize profitability. Reporting and analytics in Yagna CPQ. Yagna CPQ, configure, price, quote, is a robust solution designed to streamline the sales process through automated configuration, pricing, and quoting. Its reporting and analytics capabilities are integral to optimizing sales operations and providing valuable insights. Here's an expanded view of what you can expect from Yagna CPQ's reporting and analytics features. 1. Sales performance metrics. Revenue analysis. Track and analyze revenue generated from sales across different periods, regions, and product lines. This includes monitoring sales trends and forecasting future revenues. Sales rep performance. Evaluate individual sales representatives' performance based on metrics such as closed deals, win rates, and average deal size. 2. Configuration and pricing insights. Configuration trends. Analyze the most commonly configured products and configurations to understand customer preferences and improve product offerings. Pricing effectiveness. Assess the impact of pricing strategies on sales performance. This includes evaluating discounts, price changes, and their correlation with sales volume. 3. Quote management. Quote conversion rates. Measure the percentage of quotes that turn into actual sales. This helps identify potential bottlenecks in the quoting process. Quote accuracy. Analyze discrepancies between quoted prices and final sales prices to improve accuracy and reduce revenue leakage. 4. Customer insights. Customer segmentation. Segment customers based on purchasing behavior, configuration preferences, and pricing sensitivity. This helps tailor sales strategies and marketing efforts. Customer lifetime value. Calculate the lifetime value of customers to prioritize high-value clients and enhance customer retention strategies. 5. Operational efficiency. Process bottlenecks. Identify and analyze inefficiencies in the CPQ process, such as delays in quote approvals or configuration errors. This helps streamline operations and improve turnaround times. System utilization. Monitor how effectively the CPQ system is being used, including user engagement and adherence to best practices. 6. Customizable reporting. Ad hoc reporting. Generate custom reports based on specific needs and criteria, allowing for detailed analysis of various aspects of the sales process. Scheduled reports. Set up automated, scheduled reports for regular updates on key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics. 7. Integration with other systems. CRM integration. Combine CPQ data with CRM insights to get a comprehensive view of customer interactions and sales performance. ERP integration. Sync CPQ analytics with ERP systems to align sales data with inventory, supply chain, and financial metrics. 8. Dashboards and visualization. Interactive dashboards. Create and customize dashboards for real-time monitoring of key metrics and performance indicators. Data visualization. Use various visualization tools such as charts, graphs, and heat maps to present data in an easily understandable format. 9. Predictive analytics. Sales forecasting. Use historical data and trends to predict future sales, helping with strategic planning and resource allocation. Trend analysis. Identify emerging trends in customer behavior and market conditions to proactively adjust strategies. Case studies and success stories in Yagna CPQ. Yagna CPQ, Configure, Price, Quote, is a solution designed to streamline and automate the sales process for complex products and services. Here's a detailed look into some notable case studies and success stories associated with Yagna CPQ. Case Study 1. Global Telecommunications Company. Challenge. a leading telecommunications provider, faced challenges with their traditional quoting process, which was slow and error-prone. The company needed a solution that could handle complex product configurations, pricing, and approvals efficiently. Solution: Yagna CPQ was implemented to automate and simplify the quoting process. The solution integrated with the company's CRM and ERP systems, providing a unified platform for configuring products, generating quotes, and managing approvals. Results: efficiency improvement. The time to generate quotes was reduced by 60%. Error reduction. Errors in quotes decreased by 70%, improving overall accuracy. Sales increase. The streamlined process led to a 20% increase in sales conversion rates. Customer satisfaction. Faster response times and accurate quotes enhanced customer satisfaction. Case study 2. Large manufacturing firm. Challenge: a major manufacturing firm with a wide range of customizable products struggled with configuring products correctly and managing complex pricing structures. The manual process was causing delays and affecting customer satisfaction. Solution: Yagna CPQ was deployed to handle complex configurations and pricing rules. The solution featured a user-friendly interface for sales representatives and robust integration with the company's existing ERP system. Results: time savings. The configuration and quoting process was accelerated by 50%. Enhanced accuracy. Improved accuracy in product configurations and pricing led to a 30% reduction in order errors. Increased sales. The streamlined process contributed to a 15% increase in sales volume. Operational efficiency. The company saw a significant reduction in administrative overhead. Case study 3. Technology solutions provider. Challenge: a technology solutions provider dealing with highly customizable software and hardware products faced difficulties in managing complex pricing and discount structures, leading to inconsistent quotes and slow sales cycles. Solution: the company implemented Yagna CPQ to automate the quoting process and manage complex pricing rules. The solution included advanced features for handling discounts, promotions, and bundling. Results: quote accuracy. Quote accuracy improved by 80% due to automated pricing and discount management. Sales cycle reduction. The sales cycle was shortened by 40%, enabling faster customer acquisition. Revenue growth. The company experienced a 25% increase in revenue as a result of more efficient quoting and better pricing strategies. Sales team productivity. The sales team was able to focus more on selling rather than administrative tasks. Case study 4. Healthcare equipment provider. Challenge: a healthcare equipment provider faced challenges with configuring complex medical devices and managing approvals for custom quotes. The manual process was cumbersome and delayed the sales cycle. Solution: Yagna CPQ was implemented to handle the complex configurations and approval workflows. The solution integrated with the company's CRM and provided real-time access to product information and pricing. Security features and compliance in Yagna CPQ. Yagna CPQ, Configure, Price, Quote, is a solution designed to streamline and automate the configuration, pricing, and quoting processes for businesses. Ensuring robust security features and compliance is crucial for any CPQ system, particularly given the sensitive nature of pricing and customer data involved. Here's an expansive look at the security features and compliance considerations for Yagna CPQ. Security features in Yagna CPQ. Data encryption. In-transit encryption uses SSL/TLS protocols to secure data during transmission between users and the CPQ system. At-rest encryption encrypts stored data using AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, to protect it from unauthorized access. Access control. Role-based access control. RBAC assigns permissions based on user roles to limit access to sensitive data and features. Multi-factor authentication. MFA adds an additional layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification before granting access. Authentication and authorization. Single sign-on. SSO integrates with identity providers to streamline user authentication and reduce password fatigue. OAuth and OpenID Connect supports modern authentication frameworks for secure and scalable authorization. Audit logging. Activity tracking logs user activities, including changes to configurations, pricing, and quotes, for traceability. Compliance audits provides detailed logs for auditing purposes, helping organizations meet regulatory requirements. Data masking. Field-level masking protects sensitive information by masking data fields, such as financial details or personal information. Application security. Vulnerability scanning regularly scans the CPQ application for vulnerabilities and applies patches to address any identified issues. Code review and testing conducts thorough code reviews and security testing to identify and mitigate potential risks. Network security. Firewall protection employs firewalls to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on security rules. Intrusion detection and prevention systems. IDPS monitors network traffic for suspicious activity and takes action to prevent potential breaches. Data backup and recovery. Regular backups ensures that data is backed up regularly and can be restored in case of a system failure or data loss. Disaster recovery planning implements a disaster recovery plan to minimize downtime and data loss in the event of a major incident. Compliance considerations for Yagna CPQ. General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). Data subject rights provides mechanisms for users to access, rectify, or delete their personal data in accordance with GDPR requirements. Data Processing Agreement (DPA) ensures that data processing activities comply with GDPR standards and includes provisions for data protection. Why choose ProExcellency for Yagna Channel CPQ online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Yagna Channel CPQ online training can offer several benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically employs experienced trainers who have in-depth knowledge of Yagna Channel CPQ. This expertise ensures that you receive high-quality instruction and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs are often designed to cover all essential aspects of Yagna Channel CPQ, from basic concepts to advanced features. This comprehensive approach helps in gaining a thorough understanding of the tool. Hands-on learning. Pro-excellency often emphasizes practical, hands-on training. This approach allows you to work with real-world scenarios, which can improve your proficiency and confidence in using Yagna Channel CPQ. Flexible scheduling. Online training provides the flexibility to learn at your own pace and convenience. Pro-excellency's programs might offer various schedules to accommodate different time zones and availability. Support and resources. Pro-excellency typically provides ongoing support and access to additional resources, such as documentation, forums, or help desks, which can be invaluable during and after the training. Certification preparation. If you are looking to gain certification in Yagna Channel CPQ, Pro-excellency's training programs are often designed to prepare you thoroughly for certification exams. Reputation and reviews. Positive feedback and testimonials from previous participants can be a good indicator of the quality of training offered by Pro-excellency. Thank you.